Good morning, student. Today we will study chapter 4, pollination. Today I will explain you about parts of flower. You have seen many flowers of different colors and scents. They perform important function. Flower give rise fruits with seed in it. As you know, a new plants grow from seed. So, flowers are the reproductive organs in flowering plant. Reproduction means production of young ones. A flower is supported by a part of a stem called pedicel. And pedicel has swollen end called thalamus. A flower has four main parts. It is also known as whorls of a flower. So, there are four whorls of a flower: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx, which is also known as sepals. These are the outer green part of a flower. Sepals or calyx protects the flower in the bud stage. As the buds open, sepals curl back and form a cup. Being green, they also manufacture food. The second whorl of a flower is called corolla. The bright color leaves like structure of a flower are called petals. Bright color and sweet smells of petals attract insects toward flowers. They help in the process of pollination. Androecium, it's the third whorl of a flower. It is the male reproductive part of a flower, also known as stamen. Stamen, it consists of two parts, anther and filament. Filament is a long cylinder part of a stamen. The anther is a two-lobed structure present on the top of the filament. This is filament and this is anther. Each lobe of anther contains a powdery yellow substance called pollen grains. Pollen grains produce the male reproductive cell. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is the fourth whorl of the flower. It is the female reproductive part. It is also known as pistil. Pistil is divided into three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Stigma. Stigma is a small disc-like structure. It is present on the uppermost part of the pistil. It receives the pollen grains. Style is a long tube-like structure, or you can say it is the neck of the pistil. It is attached to the stigma on the top and the ovary at the base. Ovary. Ovary is the lowermost swollen part of the pistils. The ovary contains a small bead-like structure called ovules. Each ovules contain the female reproductive cells called eggs. After fertilization, the ovary becomes the fruit and the ovule present inside the ovary becomes the seeds. Students, you all have to draw, label and color the diagram of parts of a flower, androecium and gynoecium. Thank you, students.